Ever seen one of those colorful circles in a news report? That's a pie chart. It's not just a pretty picture, it's a story about a whole group split into its different parts. The bigger the slice, the bigger its share of the story. The golden rule is simple. All the slices must add up to 100%, the full pie. Imagine a survey of 20 students on their favorite fruit. If apples takes up half the circle, you instantly know that's 10 students. If bananas is a quarter, you can often spot it by its perfect 90-degree corner. That's 5 students. No complex math needed, just a quick look at the fractions. But most charts you'll see use percentages. Let's say your total weekly budget is $200. The chart shows 40% goes to food. How much is that? Here's a quick trick. Find 10% first. Just move the decimal point one spot to the left. 10% of 200 is 20. So 40% is simply 4 times that. $80. Easy. Now for the clever part, working backwards. Imagine a slice labeled rabbits is 10%, and you're told it represents 8 animals. You can now figure out the total. If 10% equals 8, then the full 100% must be 10 times bigger. That's 80 pets in total. You just rebuilt the entire story from a single clue. So a pie chart isn't just about reading slices, it's about understanding proportions. Whether you're calculating a piece from the whole or finding the whole from a single piece, you're translating a picture into numbers. It's a simple visual language that, once you learn it, helps you see the big picture instantly.